This is Brian McKinney and you're watching a Co-op Minute. Does your farm need some updated fencing or maybe just some repairs this summer? Co-op is your destination for all your fence supply needs. When thinking through how to update your fence, try to follow the tips below. Number 1, setting expectations. When selecting farm fencing, you need to do it with a specific purpose in mind, such as to keep your animals on your property or prevent unwelcome visitors. This will let you decide what materials you need. Number 2, configuring a layout. Once you find the purpose of the fence you need, to take a little time and make sure you understand the layout of your new enclosure. How large will it be? Where will you put gates, corners, T-posts, etc.? These details can affect the fence stability over time. Number 3, consulting an expert. A good fence is all about choosing the right kind of fencing from the very beginning. There are a variety of fence types and fencing materials out there, and the one you choose can make all the difference between a fence that holds for years and a fence that's more trouble than it's worth. Your local co-op has all the supplies to help you accomplish your fencing goals this summer. Find the stores nearest you at www.ourcoop.com/location. Thanks for watching, and come back next for more tips.